I'm in the middle of my day's operations, and I notice as I go into the screen that there's an item in here that should have been programmed in but was not, and for whatever reason I need to put it in right away. Rather than go all the way to the back office and go about programming it within there, I can quickly do it from the front end, security level permitting, of course. Within here, I have, for example, all of my different order screens and so on. Let's say within the soup and chili, for example, I need to populate this area right here, this where it should contain a button of some missing item. So what I do here is, first of all, I go to this screen and I select on that area where I want that button to occur. Now, coming down to functions, we have a selection here called Easy Add New Item. Now, in selecting this, it will now come up with a touchscreen keyboard, and within this you can go about programming in whatever the name of the item will be. So let's say, for example, I'll call it Scott's Salad. Now from here, the next thing it's going to ask is, what is the price for this item? In this case, I'm going to say maybe $3.50. Now I'm presented with a list of all of the different types of products that you can program into the system. Now the one that you really want for anything of this nature would be ordering product. All right, basically a menu item, anything that shows up on the menu that you can order and would have a price, would be an ordering product. So I'm going to select on that and OK. The next thing we have here is select report category. So a report category is a grouping, like is this, for example, an appetizer or a soup or a salad or whatever the case. I'm going to say this is a salad. So I'm going to choose on that and I'll select on OK. Now the final couple of windows here pertains to the billboard. Is this a dessert item? No, it is not. Is this a special of the day? I'll say yes it is, just for the sake of showing it within the billboard. You'll notice now that I have a new button that has just been added to the front end called Scott's Salad. And now at this point, I can select on it and start ordering it. And of course, if I leave the table and go into Billboard, Scott's Salad has also been added to today's specials as well.